Is your manual quick hitch wearing out faster than you think it should? Today, we're diving into why they wear so badly and what you can do to prevent it. One of the biggest factors to quick hitch wear is the material used. Many manual quick hitches are made from HB 350 steel, which is actually less wear resistant than it ideally should be. This means the hitch body can wear down relatively quickly, especially in harsh conditions. In the past, we've manufactured our quick hitches from HB 350. We've now upgraded our quick hitches to HB 500, which is far more wear resistant. Another often overlooked issue is the spring inside the quick hitch. Over time, manual hitch springs lose tension, which contributes to slack or play in the hitch. That small movement may not seem like a big deal at first, but it increases wear on both the hitch and the pins over time. Most manual quick hitches use a standard wire coil spring. These can fatigue over time as they're not designed to be under pressure for long periods of time. This style of spring eventually will not return to its original length, so this is what will cause the slack in your quick hitch. Our upgraded manual hitch now uses a die-cast spring, which is a specialised high-stress compression spring which is designed to last much longer than that of a wire coil spring. Your bucket pins are another critical consideration. If your pins are worn, they won't sit tight into the front hook of your hitch and also the latch, which will allow excess movement of your attachment. This excess movement doesn't just affect your performance, it also accelerates the wear of your quick hitch. Worn pins should be replaced promptly. If you don't, it will cause premature and irreversible damage to your quick hitch, meaning you will probably need to replace the hitch at some point. To put this into context, would you rather spend £10 to £20 on a new set of pins or upwards of £450 on a new quick hitch? Another thing to bear in mind is that many manufacturers offer buckets and attachments with weld-in pins. These may be cheaper up front, but once they wear, it is a much more difficult job to replace the pins, almost impossible in fact, without having to grind them out and re-weld new pins in. Or you may even have to replace the bucket, which is much more costly than just replacing a couple of removable pins. Bolt-in pins are a far better long-term solution. They can be replaced at a fraction of a cost of a new bucket or even a new quick hitch. Maintenance is often the factor that will separate a hitch that will last a few months to one that lasts years. One common problem is a lack of lubrication. Latches can cause premature wear if they're not properly lubricated. Non-greasable latches increase friction and accelerate wear on both the latch and the rest of the hitch. A greasable latch, like the Rhinox one here, ensures smooth operation and prevents rubbing. We have designed the grease point on this hitch so that it's easily accessible when mounted on the machine, making your daily maintenance fast and easy. Another common problem is infrequent cleaning. Dirt and debris can cause friction in the latch and locking mechanisms, leading to premature wear. So, how do you prevent premature wear? Preventing wear comes down to a combination of the hitch design and regular maintenance. Here's what to focus on. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for operation and maintenance. Keep it clean, remove any dirt or debris from the locking mechanisms daily, and lubricate regularly, greasing required parts after every use. So let's summarise. Material, springs, pins and regular maintenance are the key factors that affect the wear of your quick hitch. Investing a little time and care upfront can save you hundreds of pounds in maintenance or even a new hitch over the lifetime of your machine. If you want to know more about the Rhinox manual hitch, click on the video here and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more videos. Preventing wear, what was that about? Lubricate regularly, greasing